Hey there guys, what's up? Gabuzyan is here with you and welcome to our Skewer fantastic examples videos. In this one, you are going to see a few ideas, how to skewer and how to get rid out of the skewer. And while this tactical motif seems to be pretty straight, you are going to see very cool examples. Let's get started. In the first example you are seeing, it's white to move. I offer you, first of all, to pause the video and decide how to play here for white. Thinking about the skewer topic, at this position, white has one fantastic resource. They are continuing bishop to f5, just saying, okay, take my bishop. Would you dare? At this moment, if black continues queen f5, white has the following: knight f7 check, king g8 is the only move, and instead of knight d6, taking back the rook, white goes knight h6 check, winning opponent's queen, and there is no way to save from this. Turns out, after bishop f5 move, black just needs to retreat somewhere with the queen, let's say queen e8, and after bishop c8 move, they are losing a material. Let's go ahead to the next example. In this middle game position, it's white to move. Now we are being down a pawn on the f file. And white can try to win back the pawn or find a very strong move available now. I won't make more spoilers before I let you think and find out the idea. So pause the video and go for it. At the moment, our tactical resource is based on lots of pins, and helping this, we're skewering opponent queen and the rook. So fantastic if you found the bishop e4 move. Now this bishop steps under attack of 3 of opponent pieces, so this is not the easiest move to find. Well, if queen is going any square, we just capture the rook, so let's now see if black can take on e4. For example, if pawn takes, we're checkmating with rook f8 move. After bishop e4, if black captures with the knight, we are winning with rook d8. Queen e8 is the only move and we are capturing with a checkmate. So, after bishop e4, only queen's capturing is left, but we are taking back with the queen. And after a pawn or a knight's capturing, we are again delivering a checkmate on the back rank. Unbelievably, but bishop e4, stepping under lots of attacking pieces, perfectly works in this example. Now let's go ahead and see a few ideas. How can we get out of opponent's skewer? At this moment, it's white to move and knight on d5 is hanging. And white here found a fantastic resource, bishop to b5. This is a game of one of my students, and I received it, learning that in this position black decided to play rook d5, bishop takes, pawn takes, and lately lost this position. After bishop b5, black cannot capture queen b5 because there is knight c7 check and white wins the queen only for a single piece. So the question to you is the following difference: is there a chance to get out from this skewer, or we are losing the material? Pause the video and think about it. Chess is a very rich game and you can find fantastic resources in many unbelievable positions. The move here is bishop f2 check. Amazing if you found it. Now white has two options, to take or to go to the light squares. If king takes, black king escapes here with a check, short castle check, lately capturing one of white pieces. And as well, if after bishop f2 check, white decides not to take and go with the king to the f file, for example, king going to e2. Here we are winning with queen b5 check, capturing a piece because the king is on the light squares. So with this fantastic idea, black's getting out of opponent's skewer. Let's go ahead to see the next example. In this position, it's black to move, and they continue the bishop to c5. It's protected by queen, and now we are under threat of losing a piece on f2. Are you going to accept this decision or find something really unbelievable? Pause the video and think about it. In this position, if you thought to attack opponent's queen in exchange like knight d3 or let's say knight g4, this is not working. Bishop e3 move is with a check. So for this reason, after bishop c5, white needs to make this knight g4 idea to work out, and with a fantastic queen h6 resource, we're inviting opponent king to this square. Of course, going back doesn't work. There is the checkmate, so black has to take king h6, And now with knight g4 check, king to some square, and knight takes e5, white saves the position without staying material down. So dear friends, this was the last example and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to be careful about your skewering ideas, and whenever you get skewered, you may be finding an unbelievable escaping options. Gabuzyan was here with you, and I'm going to meet you in our next ChessMood videos.